New evidence and new witnesses in court today on day 3 of Jonathan Renfro's murder trial. Renfro was facing first-degree murder for fatally shooting Coeur d'Alene Police Sergeant Greg Moore in 2015. Now, he admitted to shooting Moore. His defense doesn't deny that. But they want the charge changed to voluntary manslaughter. The state? Well, it continued to bring in witnesses today in its attempt to prove otherwise. KXLY4's Caroline Rourke continues our coverage tonight. And Caroline, you were there when that evidence was being discussed. Tell us about it.
Nadine, there is just so much information in this case. We've heard from 20 or 21 witnesses in 3 days, and as we continue to delve further into testimony, we are starting to see that some of these questions that pop up along the way are slowly beginning to be answered.
The trial picked up where it left off on Tuesday with a detective's testimony about a gun located near the area where Jonathan Renfro was taken into custody. That weapon matched one that belonged to Sergeant Greg Moore. A second firearm was introduced in court today, found by detectives in a field near the Walmart where Renfro was found. It's a Glock 26 that uses the same caliber bullets as those found in Jonathan Renfro's pocket when he was taken into custody. It's also the same caliber as the bullet fragments found during Sergeant Moore's autopsy. The jury also heard testimony today from a Coeur d'Alene fire captain who responded to the shooting. The captain said he had known Greg Moore, but he had to ask that night who the patient was. Sergeant Moore's face was unrecognizable because of his injuries. Dashcam footage shows paramedic crews attempting life-saving measures on the sergeant while loading him into an ambulance. At that point, he was not breathing and had no pulse. Sergeant Moore was hospitalized and placed into the care of a neurological surgeon who declared him brain dead later that day. The fire captain also testified that a driver's license had been found in the back of the ambulance while crews were cleaning up. The license belonged to Renfro. The court also took testimony from the Spokane County forensic pathologist and medical examiner who conducted Moore's autopsy. Using graphic photos, he described the extent of Moore's injuries and confirmed again that his cause of death was the result of a gunshot wound.
Trial wrapped up today with testimony from a Washington State Patrol forensic scientist who testified that the bullet fragments found during Moore's autopsy were in fact fired from the gun the detectives found in that field near the Walmart. Reporting live from the Kootenai County Courthouse, Caroline Rourke, KXLY4 News.
Thank you, Caroline.